Hello everyone, Dan Mason here. Let's explore another issue in our current events together. Flat Earth. From a flat earther. Oh, that first video that guy shoes the wrong map. The Gleason's map is the flat Earth map, and also the sun and moon are not going in a circle. They go in a spiral. Everything we've been taught is a lie. If you watch my playlist, you'll see. They disprove everything. Now here is my clear, direct rebuttal to his comment. I've actually looked at the Gleason map. It's not a flat Earth map at all. It's an azimuthal equidistant projection. In plain terms, that's just one way of projecting a round globe onto a flat surface. The United Nations logo, airline route maps, and emergency planning maps use the same projection. That does not make the Earth flat any more than a subway map makes the city appear to be shaped like a rectangle. The claim about the sun and moon moving in a spiral also collapses under basic observation. People at different latitudes can watch the same sunrise and sunset times every day and chart the movement of stars. These measurements align with a rotating Earth orbiting the sun, not with a spiral pattern above a flat plane. Astronomers, airline pilots, and even amateur observers can and do verify this with simple tools. The idea that everything we've been taught is a lie sounds dramatic, but it's not proof. If the videos in your playlist actually disproved everything, then airlines, GPS systems, satellite TV, and even your phone's location services could not function. Yet they work because they're built on a globe model confirmed for centuries by navigation, engineering, and direct space-based measurements. So the Gleason map does not show a flat Earth, and the spiral claim does not fit the real-world data. Flat Earther response back. We see the same stars every night. If we were traveling through space, we would see different stars. There are so many biblical scriptures that prove Earth is a disk and is no moving. Now here is my response to that point directly without sounding dismissive, but still dismantling the claim. I've heard that argument a lot, but it doesn't actually hold up when you look at how astronomy works. We see, roughly, the same constellations at night for two reasons. 1. The stars are unimaginably far away. Even though the solar system moves at tens of thousands of miles per hour around the galaxy, the nearest star is still more than 25 trillion miles away. At that distance, a shift of even millions of miles makes almost no difference to how the background looks to the naked eye. That's why sailors in the age of exploration could navigate by the same stars for centuries, even while Earth and the Sun were in motion. 2. We don't see exactly the same stars all year. If you pay close attention, different constellations dominate the sky at different times of year because of Earth's orbit around the Sun. Orion is a winter constellation for the northern hemisphere. Scorpius dominates the summer. The night sky does change with the seasons, and astronomers track these changes precisely. As for scripture, the passages often cited, like the four corners of the earth, or the earth shall not be moved, are poetic or phenomenological language, the same way we still say the sun rises, even though we know earth rotates. The ancient Hebrews described the world from their vantage point, not as a physics textbook would. The Bible also contains verses that align with a round earth, such as Isaiah saying God sits above the circle of the earth, and Job referring to the earth as hanging upon nothing. So seeing the same stars doesn't prove the earth is stationary or flat, and the Bible isn't actually teaching a disk model, it's using everyday language to describe God's creation. Thanks for watching or reading. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment to support this channel.